Kitchen. Today we're making bruschetta chicken. You're going to start with a package of chicken breasts or chicken thighs. I like the chicken thighs, has a little bit more flavor. And we're going to start with making the topping. So the topping is going to be a package of stuffing. And then a package of diced tomatoes. And a half cup of water. You have the chicken cut up in your pan. You're gonna sprinkle a cup of mozzarella cheese on top. Or really whatever your favorite kind of cheese may be. And then you're just going to put the topping, the bruschetta topping on top. And from here, it's going to go into a 400-degree oven for about 30 minutes.